This is a brand new 2014 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, traction control, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.